I've got 2 new things for you today.
Right.
Yep. G minor scale.
Okay.
New piece.
Yeah.
Hey. Cool. And we're going to retire the little sonata.
Okay.
That's served its purpose. We're good with that.
All right.
Cool. Okay. So G minor.
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo. See if you can work it out by the sound.
Alrighty. Okay. So, well, probably going to start with a G, so that's a good start.
That's
start
a good
there.
start. Yep.
Right.
In fact, play G major first.
Yeah, I don't think I've learned G major, but you reckon I have, right?
I reckon you have.
That's not right. So something wrong up the end there.
Up the top. Cool.
Oh, looks
Okay.
like I've just taught myself G major. What do you know?
You knew that before. Right, cool. So G major's got your F sharp.
Okay. Yep.
G minor has a B flat and one other black key. I'll meet you halfway.
There's a B flat.
Yep.
Okay.
And one other one.
And one other one.
Which you
Okay.
can work out from the sound.
Oh, right. Okay. So well, B flat's that one there. So it's
Yep.
That sounds weird.
Mm-hmm.
No, sounds wrong there.
So that's fine.
There's some rule, isn't it? I don't know what the rule is. What's the rule?
We can get into the tone, semitone.
Oh, is there not one else for the minor ones?
Oh yeah, there is.
Oh, okay, right.
Yep. Okay.
No, there's something wrong then. Yeah.
I'll help you out. So your B flat,
Yeah.
E flat's the other one. And
Oh,
F
that does
sharp
sound a bit better.
is the raised 7th. Remember in the harmonic minor scale, this is G harmonic minor, you've got to raise the 7th note.
So there's 3 black keys.
No. I said there were F sharp was one and you had 2 other black keys. I gave
You said B flat was one.
We'll have to go back and listen. G minor has F sharp and 2 other black keys. I gave you one, B flat.
Right, yeah, okay,
That
yeah.
was the other one. Yeah. That's right. And raise 7th, F sharp. So B flat and E flat are in the key signature. That's right. So that sounds the same as C minor. In fact, it's very similar to C minor.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
In that you've got your 3rd fingers playing black keys.
Right.
And just add in F sharp.
Right, so I do have, it's the same 3rd finger playing black keys, but with the exception of the F sharp, isn't it?
Yeah. Cool. Do 2 octaves. Yep, thumb goes under. And then thumb again. Yep, 3. And then 4. So go for your F sharp. Mhm. Yep. That's right. So it's really close to C minor, and that your 3rd fingers line up on black keys.
Right.
Cool. Let's do it in your left hand. We will start down low. Yep.
Done there?
Yep, that's good. That's right, walk up to your thumb. Yep, 3 goes over, and you've got your F sharp raised 7th. And 4 over, good. Yep, 3 for your black key. Ooh. 3 for your black key. So it's your E flat, F sharp, raised 7th.
use the 4 for that, do you?
Yep. Thumb for your home note. Yep.
Oh, thumb for the home note always a rule, is it?
Pretty much, yeah. For the white key patterning, yep. Thumb under. Yep. So that follows your 3-4-3 round your thumb turns pattern.
Right.
So up to your thumb, 3 goes over, 4 goes over, 3 goes over, 3 then thumb, 4 then thumb, 3 then thumb.
Okay. Yep. All right.
Cool.
That's G Harmonic Minor.
G Harmonic Minor. I have the little thing there. You can
better add it into my thing.
put in the.
Yeah,
I will.
Yep.
I will.
Okay, yep.
That's working there. Yep.
Right.
Cool. Okay, one other scale while we're here. You can choose. What's your favourite one?
C major.
I knew you were going to say that. Most people say that. That's all right. You're going to have a perfect C major scale.
There you go.
Two octaves, you wuss.
How's that?
Actually, pretty good. Nice and flowing.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Do it in your left hand. I would like to see your thumb moving a bit more quickly when you're coming under for the turn. Let's go back from there actually. That's better. 4 for that one. Yep, just try once more. Take it a little bit slower and just try and get that nice little sort of sideways motion. Down to 4, then to thumb. It's a nice easy turn over. 4 for that one. Gotta let your arm travel down with you. Yep. Cool. All right. We will stay with the overhead camera. And your new piece from Garden Party is Mr. Spider has lost his way.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Couple of things for this one.
Yeah.
As you look at it there, where do you think the melody is? Right hand or your left hand?
Melody. Well, the melody's always in the right hand, but I'm guessing because you've asked the question, it's a trick question, so I'm guessing it's the left.
Yes. Yes, it is. The melody is in your left hand.
So how do you tell?
You sort of look for where more melodic patterning is happening. The right hand, there just tend to be chords through there, so that's probably not your melody.
Oh, okay.
You'll also be able to...
So chords just two notes at the same time, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
Okay. So is it a general rule that where the notes are moving around a bit, that's the melody?
Kinda. And something like this, yes, if it's just chords you've got in your right hand interspersed here and there, that's not going to be your melody.
Right.
Your melody is going to have more sort of...
More variation in the notes.
Yeah. More variation, more shape, more contrast.
So do you ever get pieces where you've got variation in both hands?
As in it swaps between right hand and left hand?
No, as in this hand's going all over the place at the same time. This hand's going all over the place.
Yeah.
So do those have...
So where do you...
Both
where's the melody? Not necessarily. You've got to work out which hand has the melody at what point.
Oh, so there's only ever one hand that has the melody. So in that case, you wouldn't have two melodies.
No, you can. You can have more than two melodies going. You can have sort of a main melody in one hand, and you could have a kind of counter melody in the other.
Right.
You can have layers. So, like in a fugue, for example, you'd have your main subject starting in one I'll say voice because it's more than just one hand. You could have lots of layers. You could have 4 layers, like a soprano, alto, tenor, bass.
Right. And you play all those with one hand, eh?
Or you could have 2 voices in one hand, 2 in the other. So one voice might start, the other voice will come in with the same subject, but the original voice carries on with something different. And then you've got the next layer that comes in with the main melody again, so you've got to bring that out. And so it's all sort of overlapping voices, and it's very intricate and interconnected. Yeah.
So my rule that the melody is where the main variation is doesn't actually apply.
It's a good starting point.
Right.
Will
keep me going for a year.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll stick with that for the year,
as
right?
a starting point, yes.
Right.
Yes.
All right.
Okay. So first thing, melody in left hand.
Yep.
Number 2, it's a bit more chordy, as was spotted with the right hand.
Yep.
Not that that's a big deal. And the other thing is you've got a new rhythmic element going on.
It says it's 3/4.
It's 3/4.
Yeah.
Yep. Got a little upbeat bar there. Not that that's a problem. But if we check in this bar, because it's easy to see, you've got a crotchet there.
Yeah.
You've got a crotchet there. So beat 1, beat 2. Then you got...
Well, you got 2 crotchets there, haven't you?
Yes, they're in the chord. So it's taking up the value of 1 beat.
Okay, all right.
Yep. And then you've got 3 quavers squished into 1 beat. Whereas normally you'd only have 2 quavers in a beat.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And it's got that little 3 underneath.
All right, yeah,
okay. That is a triplet.
So are those not your standard sort of 1 and 2?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. There you could count 1 and a.
Oh, okay.
I'll show you the difference. So if I'm counting, that's my pulse, and I'm doing quavers. So you can hear I'm fitting 2.
Yeah.
Now I've got a triplet. Quavers. 2 with the beat. Triplet. Quavers. Triplet. So you've got 3 quavers fitting into where 2 would normally go.
Okay. And that's signified by the 3 underneath.
By the little 3.
So that's not the fingering then.
No, and that can often be
And is this the
easily
same thing
mistaken.
here?
Yep. Triplet.
And is that the fingering there?
That's the fingering there. Yeah.
But that's the triplet signature.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
See, it's slightly different. There's a 3 up there for your fingering.
Yeah.
And the triplet is more
More italic.
italics.
Oh,
Yeah. Yep. That's right.
Okay. I take it on a triplet, the 3's always on the middle note? Is that a rule?
I'm going to say
yeah, that's
probably.
The same,
That's
all
how it's looking
yeah,
there.
Right, okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's how it's looking there. Yep.
Okay.
Cool.
Right.
All right.
And so this one here is just a standard crotchet on its own, right?
Yep.
So it doesn't carry on from this.
No, that's right, because that's your beat 1 of your next bar.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Yep. Let's just do a bit of an exercise with quavers and triplets.
Yep.
So you're going to do what I did. We'll do it on different notes so you can hear the difference. So start with your pulse, just on a, you're going to do a D. Yep. And then maybe with an A in your other hand, we'll go up to there.
Right.
Can you split that into, so do a bar of that, and then you're going to do quavers in your right hand. So you're going to split it in half. Okay. Actually, are you doing quavers or triplets?
I'm doing the 3 things and the 1 thing I'm doing there.
You are. Good. That's right.
Whatever that is. What is that?
Yeah. You were doing your triplets.
Oh,
I was going to start with quavers.
Oh, okay, right.
Just
Give
to
me
get
that
the
one into it.
difference.
So I just jumped ahead.
You leapt ahead.
I'm a quick study, me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I tell you. And now do normal quavers. Even. Yep. Triplets. 1 and 2 and 3 and back to quavers. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 quavers. Sorry, triplets here. goes against one of those.
Oh. Hang on a sec. Hang on. Get me.
So you've got to feel your pulse really solidly.
I've got to get my brain around it.
Yep. If it helps, I'm just going to change notes. Donkey, donkey, elephant, 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 donkey, 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 elephant. So your elephant's your triplet.
Oh, okay.
Your donkey's your quavers.
All right.
Give me any notes you like, doesn't matter.
Okay. Donkey, 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 donkey.
Try your elephant, which will be your triplet.
Elephant, elephant, elephant,
Elephant, elephant, elephant, elephant, elephant. That's steady.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
The trick
I
is,
had a sense I slowed that down slightly to deal with that one.
yeah, the trick is not to get them elephant, but like,
Yeah, okay,
yeah, same with the quavers.
So equally
you
spaced
don't
within
wanna,
the time.
yeah, you don't want to do that. You want to go. Yep.
Okay, yep.
Okay.
So
Ready
so
for
elephant's the word for the three, right, okay.
ready for the left hand.
All right, okay, so fourth finger on G.
Mm-hmm.
So G,
Very
G,
good.
G is that one there, so that's the fourth finger on there.
It is a G. Is it the G you want?
Well, it'll work one out. So we'll try that one there. No, that one.
Oh, you pick any one you like.
Oh, I did.
You did. Okay. So for our counting, because we've got the upbeat, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1.
Oh yeah, okay.
So I'll
I
write
think
that
I'll
on
follow,
actually.
yeah.
So you can think of elephant. For your triplets, I like to do 3 and 1. Or elephant. Doesn't matter. 3 and 1.
Okay, so hang on a second. So fourth finger on there, so that's on there, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, and
So you're gonna.
oh, okay.
Yep.
That's not the same note, right? Ricky. Right. 1, 2, 3, and
1, 2. Then back to your.
oh, you want me to play the rest?
Yeah. Keep going.
Just the left hand or right as well?
Just left hand. Yep.
Okay, all right. I guess let me think this through. So 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and that's going to be that one. 1 and 2 and 3 and
Yes.
3
And good.
It's natural, isn't it?
It's a natural. Yep. Cancel out.
Oh yeah, of course.
That
Because that, yeah, right.
Otherwise,
okay.
that would still
So
be
it'll be the sharp
flat?
one. Yeah,
Yep.
yeah,
Yep.
okay, yeah.
So that pattern,
It's the
same as that one. Yep.
Yeah. 3 and 1 and 2 and 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 oh, that's a bit tricky. 3 and
So watch your fingering.
oh.
Yeah. Otherwise, you're going to run out of fingers. Good. Yep.
And 2 and 3 and
This is going to be good. It's got all those accidentals. Ah,
so I
bonus.
think is that one there.
Yep.
1 and 2 and 2
on
and
3. Yep.
3 and 1 and
That's what she said.
2 and
Right, keep going.
3 and 1 and 2.
D C sharp.
I'm not there, am I?
Oh, you're down there.
Am I?
Yep.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bonus.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that'll be right. Okay. Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah. So you're on your A on the bottom.
Right.
And that is your
And 2 and 3 and 4 and
2 and
one. Oh,
so you're on beat 3 here.
yes.
3
and 1 and 2. Well, 2 and 3 and
yeah. Go for C for that one.
yeah. Oh.
Yeah, that'll be your second finger. So your thumbs
Oh, it's
on
gone
the
down. Oh, right. See, I
Yep.
didn't look like the same note.
Ah, right.
Ah, right.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and
We've seen that before.
yes,
Yep.
that's that one there.
So check your finger.
4, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1
Very good.
and 2 and must be that one.
And
Three.
you're going to lift and shift. Yes, it is. It is that one.
Oh, but I've got
You're
to
going
go
to need
there.
2.
3
Yep.
and that's a C, isn't it? 1.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's a bit tricky, isn't it?
Oh, I know.
Who wrote that monstrosity?
Oh. Gee. I don't mind if you want to keep counting, like subdividing the crotchet beat into 3, if that will help with the triplets.
I'm not sure I follow what you
So you're counting 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and
So
1.
how else do I do it?
You can just count 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1.
Oh, I see.
2,
Right.
3
Okay.
and 1
Oh, yeah.
and 2.
That's
and
probably a better way to go,
3
isn't it?
and 1. In the long run, probably.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
But if it helps to actually just get those all comfortable, that's okay.
That's right. No, I'll work on it, trying it that way.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Let's
Yep.
put the normal camera back on. Let's check out your right hand. Da-da-da.
Okay. Well, the first part's pretty easy. I've got that one nailed. I can do it easily. The,
Oh, that's your wrist.
Oh,
Yay!
that's good. Yeah, I like those ones. They're good.
Okay.
So the next one looks like that's probably a E and a B. B? No, it's not B. That's an E and a.
Well, all you need to know is the bottom one, because you can work out the top one from the interval.
Yeah, well, the bottom one's an E.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so this one's a G.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Right. So I need the third finger. I presume it's the lowest finger on the lowest
Yep.
one. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah. So third finger on the E,
Mhm.
and it's going to be that E there.
Mhm.
So we're going to go like that.
Check your fingering.
Oh, yeah, okay. So it's
It's right back to that first hand position that you had.
oh, okay.
Good old middle C hand position.
Right, okay. That feels weird. Okay.
Yep, and you can give it a nice little kind of spring. Yep. Quite that exuberant.
Right.
Okay, now that one.
Those are 2 sharps.
Mhm.
So that's 2 and a 4.
Mhm.
So it's going to be presumably those 2.
Good, yeah. And all you're doing is a semitone apart. So you're going from E and G.
Oh, hang on a sec. So down there. That's E and G. No, hang on a sec. That's E.
That's E. Yep.
The
So
finger
3 and
there,
5.
right,
Yep.
3 and 5. Yeah. Oh, right, okay, yeah.
Yep.
So it's that.
Yep. And then 4 and 2.
That.
Yep. That's right. Cool.
Right. Okay, that's going to be a weird hand thing to get my head around, but okay.
You've got rests in between,
Yep.
so don't feel you have to try be
Right.
really awkward with. Yeah, so bounce off.
Right.
Bounce off.
Why is it 5? Because I mean, I've got 5 and 3 there, right?
Mhm.
So I'm doing So I'm doing that, right?
Yep.
Why don't I just do that?
Move less, doing 5, 3, 4, 2. So what we've got to do there is a shoot to there, rather than shifting your third finger. Yep. That way 3 is lurking over your E, so they're ready for your next one. You're not having to.
Oh, yes, fair enough. Okay,
You're not having to shift a finger off where it was originally and then put it back on it.
Okay,
Yep.
that makes a bit of sense. Yep. Okay. Yep.
So scanning ahead.
Yeah, that's the same one again, isn't it? Yeah. That one there, that's probably the same.
Yep.
That's the same.
Yep.
That's different.
That's
there.
different. Let's look at that one.
So that's going to be an F and a G. So that's that presumes that one there. Where is it again? Oh, well, I'm sharp. And so it's 1 and 3. So I'm trying to do that or something.
No. Okay. What's your bottom one?
Well, presumably the bottom one's the F sharp, right?
Are you sure the sharp's on the F? Look really closely.
What's next to the first one, which is the F, yeah.
Nope.
It's all natural.
Correct.
So it's a sharp.
It's a sharp.
That's notes F.
Yep.
It's before the F.
If it's an F sharp, the boxy bit of the sharp would be on the F space. That boxy bit is on the line. So that matches with the G.
Ah.
That is G sharp. That one.
Okay.
So you're going to look really carefully when you've got things like... See,
I
here we go.
thought the rule was that the sharp always came before the note.
It does.
And so therefore the first note you see is the one that's sharp.
Oh, no. They've had to flip them like that because you've got a line note and a space note.
Right.
Check out here. That
Yeah.
F sharp, see how the sharp sign is placed there? The boxy bit is aligned with the space.
I just assumed they meant that both were sharp because they were both there. So I suppose your logic does work.
Yeah.
Actually. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The accidental, the sharp, flat or natural,
Yeah.
has to be on the same line or space as the note.
So it's like in the key signature then.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah.
So there, B flat there, A flat there,
Oh, I see.
A flat there, D sharp. That sharp has to be put back a little bit, otherwise it's too tricky to read with those two sharps
Yeah, I
there.
follow now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's
All right.
how it works.
That's how it works, right? Yep. I can work with that.
Yep. So just a couple of chords to go. Let's work out that one. So we know it's F on the bottom.
Yeah.
That's your thumb.
So it's that one there,
Yep.
and the next one is the G sharp.
G sharp.
So that's with the third finger.
Third finger.
So it's that.
Very good.
That's a bit easier to play.
Yep.
Okay.
Cool. Now, one note is different going from that chord to that chord. So it's got one.
Well, it's going to be that one.
Cool. Just see if you can. Is that comfortable for your hand size?
I can't do it. I mean, that's what I want to do there, right?
Is that tricky?
Yeah, it is. I mean,
Okay.
I'm compressing my finger into it.
For you, is it easier to use your second finger on there and go to 3 on that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, much easier. Okay, we'll do that. You've got a bigger hand. We'll do 2, and we'll do 3.
Yeah.
Same
Just
deal.
a bit of interest. Only one of those notes has got a dot on it, right? So, does that mean that the F needs to go?
No,
close?
no, it's just convention way it's written. It's still, both notes are still staccato.
Right.
They're both sounding at the same time.
Okay.
It's just you've got to flip one the other way so you can read both of them clearly.
Right.
And you've got a line note and a space note on
Okay.
top of each other.
Right.
Yep. Pretty much ditto. We're just going to check down here. That chord's the same as that one.
Yeah.
So let's do that. That was your black
Okay.
keys.
So that's what is that? That's
Right.
that looks like it's probably D and
Mhm.
D and F.
Mhm.
Yeah, D and F.
And then
And they're both sharp.
sharp. Yep.
So that's going to be, well, D's that one. F that one, so it's going to be those two.
Those two, yep.
And it's 2 and 4.
4 and 2, yep. Back to 1 and 3
So
there.
it's 2
Good.
and 4.
Cool.
Yeah.
And then let's work out where you go from there.
And then I would take my second finger and presumably
Lift
move
and
it.
just lift and shift. You've bounced off that guy because it's staccato.
Oh yeah.
Yep. And that one is higher
Yeah,
than your F sharp. So you're gonna,
oh, so
right to that one.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah. And then we've got a C, and well, it looks like it's probably actually full 5, that one probably.
Close.
Is it C?
It is a C.
Yeah, that one's C.
We count the interval. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ah. That one. All right.
Yep.
Okay.
That's the one.
So I shouldn't just take a guess at the gap.
Well, guess is fine. It was an educated guess. You didn't go
Actually,
right next door.
I should know because they both went spaces and, or lines. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, good old Mr. Snail sounds like this.
It's not Mr. Snail, Spider.
Oh, it's Mr. Spider.
Yeah.
It's Mr. Spider. I'm sorry, Mr. Spider. Here we go.
You playing that an octave up?
I was playing an octave up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. There he goes.
Alrighty.
Oh, there's lots of new stuff in there.
Alright. So done by next week then, right?
Awesome. I like it.
Alrighty.
That'll keep you out of trouble.
Sure. And I still do the tiger thing, right?
Still do the tiger.
Right.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
You've got a spider and a tiger.
Excellent. Alright, thank you.
That's all right. You're welcome.
Right.
Cool.